If you follow this rule, I think it will be easy to you speak English, write English, and understand English. So please try to speak English in your classroom and out of your classroom. All of the students, remember, first you shake off your slyness. After that, you will try this method. If you shake off your slyness, you must speak in English. And if you speak in English, you understand, speak the English language. So, today I welcome you. We start now our first class in 8. After 17 months. So welcome everybody. Look at the slide. Let us a video clip. We again try to see the video clip. This is the problem. It hang. Now it also hang. Again hang. Bad luck. Bad luck. All of us. Okay. We avoid the video clips, and after that the next slide please. Our today's lesson is the Olympics of our culture. Subtitle please. Subtitle our ethnic friend. The main titles the Olympics of our culture and the subtitle is our ethnic friends. 1. Please open the textbook. Our ethnic people. To have the textbook, please open it. Our ethnic people. Okay, the next slide. Unit 1, lesson 3. Okay. Now read the text silently to know about the ethnic people of Bangladesh. You can see a picture. Student, silently read the text, and you can also read the text please. Follow your textbook. The ethnic people of Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. The majority those people live in Chittagong hill tracts. The other lives in the region of Mymensingh, Rajshahi, Sylhet. They live. They live in the forest area. Silently. They live in the forest area, in the hills and rural area. Please don't be psycho. They do zoom cultivation. For this work, they clear a piece of land in the forest, prepare it and sow seeds in it. They are mostly farmers. By religions, they are Hindus, Christian and Buddhist. They speak their own mother tongues. Some of those stand. Some of them are Chakma, the Morangs, the Tifra, the Morangs, who lives in the hilly tract. The Sautal live in Rajshahi, the Khashiya and Manipuris live in Sylhet, and the Hazong and Garo in Mymensingh. Please keep quiet, don't talk. Here are some individual work. Please open your khata and write down the work. All of the students, please open your khata. Write the name of the ethnic people of Bangladesh mentioned in the text. They are mentioned in Bangla Ullekh kora. Please write down all of you the name of the ethnic people who lives in Bangladesh. No. In the text, they are mentioned the name of the ethnic people. Please follow the text. They are mentioned the name of some ethnic people. Follow the text. You must find it. You can use the table. Come on here. Book put on here. Here is the name of mentioned group: Sakma, Marmas, Tifras, Morangs, etc. Please come. Silence. Go back, please go back. Please keep quiet, dear students. If you don't get sick, you go back and stand there, please. I think all of you find the name of the ethnic people of Bangladesh. Now proceed with me. Check your answer. After a few moments, you can check your answer with me, please. Where is your textbook and paper? Stand up. Where is your book and paper? Again, occurs this fault. I shall punish you. Sit down. Dear students, please follow the chart. The name of the ethnic people of Bangladesh are the Chakma, the Marmas, the Tifras, the Morangs, the Sautal, the Khashiya, the Manipuris, the Hazong, and the Garos. I think all of you find those names in the text. If you read the text, you must find it. Have you all of your textbook? I think all of you have a textbook because I exceptionally all of the students give those books. Thank you. Next slide, dear students. Yes, come in. Silently come in and go back. Take your own seat. If you do not find seat, you must stand there. So, dear students, the next slide, viewers. When you read the text, you face some new words such as ethnic. What do you mean by ethnic? What should I stand up? What do you mean by ethnic? Please come in. Pita. Look, ethnic means sit down. Ethnic, very well. Belonging to a nation, race, or tribe that serves a cultural tradition. My ethnic, and if you can make a sentence, this is the sentence. You can also make another sentence. If you want, you can write down this sentence. Okay? The next word, reason. You can say a part of map. It is our country, their country, Bangladesh. Meaning, reason meaning area. Territory, a large area of land without exceed limits or borders. That means region, অঞ্চল. In Bangla, অঞ্চল. The Khasiar and Manipuri live in Sylhet region. Here is the sentence. Next word, majority. Majority. Okay, stand up. What do you mean by majority? Last part. Thank you. Sit down. There is a picture meaning the last part of a group or people or things. That means majority. Sentence. The majority of the people of Bangladesh are Muslims. Forest. Yes. Stand up. Forest means in Bangla. Sit down. Look at the picture. A large area of land that is thickly covered with trees. That means jungle. Some ethnic people live in forest area. Zoom cultivation. Who can speak? Zoom cultivation. Genius stand. Zoom cultivation means slow. We cross-check our meaning with a slide. The preparation of hilly land for growing plants or crops. That means zoom cultivation. The ethnic people clear a piece of land in the forest called zoom cultivation. Dear students, all of you, come to sit down with your friend. Now we can try some work. That means PR work. PR in Bangla, Jula. Since you sit with your friend, close your friend, now solve this work with discuss your friend. There is Taiba and Ruka, Masuma and Aisha, and they are Orpita and Lubna. So now we can try to solve this question. Complete the sentence with clues. There are more clues than necessary. Please open your khata and write down the information. Here is the box and clues word. Take a word and fill in the gap. This is your PR work. Please start to write on your khata or paper. This is the question. Match the word with the question and fill in the gaps. This is the word rural, important, farmers, ethnic, zoom cultivation, and region. Time is limited. 5 minutes. text is also in your textbook. You can see there on your textbook or slide. Have you finished? Okay. Anyone else? Tobato, have you completed? Units, more units. Masuma, have you finished? You need some times more. Okay. So let's check out your answer with me. Ready? Now I start the answer. Check your answer. Please silently come in. Go to the behind. If you don't find seat, you must stand up behind the table. Please go. So, look at the answer. Shaukat lives in Rajshahi region. And if the answer is correct, you can kick them. Thank you. Sakma do zoom cultivation. This is the second answer. Must stand up. Are you correct? Number 2. Thank you. Sit down. Third answer. If the answer is correct, you must kick them. Go behind. Dear student, if you come late, you must silently inside the room and go to back behind the camera, not in front the camera, okay? You must go back behind the camera, not in front the camera. The next answer, most. This is the previous answer. The most is not in the box. This is the free fear. Farmers, this is previous or without clues. Maybe. It may be occurs in the exam hall. And you must fill up the gaps. So, I think all of you answer them correctly. Now the next slide. Let's listen the audio. But if we want to listen the audio, the sound is not clear. So you follow the slide. The audio is not clear. So please follow the slide. The ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. The majority of those people live in Chittagong, Calitra. The other lives in the region of Mymensingh, Rajshahi and Sylhet. They live in forest area, in the hill and rural area. They do zoom cultivation. Here are some pictures about zoom cultivation. They cleared a piece of land in the forest. After that, they prepare it, then sow seeds and grow their own crop. That means food. By religious, they are Hindus, Christian and Buddhist. You can see the picture. Hindus, Christian and Buddhist. Some of them are Sakma, Marmas, Tipras and Burans. Dear students, every ethnic group have some special quality, some special culture, special mother tongue, and that indicate others from one to another. Saupals, Kashias, Manipuris, Ajam, Garos, and here are the districts mentioned. Group work. All of you now solve the problem with group or personally. You can also see the group work in your textbook. Please open your textbook and you can see the question. Where do you find the marmas? If you read the text, immediately you must find the answer. Next question. It is in text. What language they speak at home? In Bangla, বাড়িতে তারা কোন ভাষায় কথা বলে? Number 3. Where and how do they do zoom cultivation? In Bangla, কোথায় এবং কিভাবে তারা জুম চাষ করে? There are 3 questions for you. And you must solve these questions at this moment in the class. In Bangla, তোমাকে এই তিনটা প্রশ্নের উত্তর ক্লাসে বসে সম্পন্ন করতে হবে। You can take help from the text. If you want, you can take help from your textbook. Time, since there are 3 questions, so 3 into 6 minutes. One student have done the answer. Anyone else? Sugoto? Have you finished? No. Masuma? Can you answer the question? Thank you. Program? Thank you. I think there are more about 40 students, but 3 or 4 can answer the question, all of the questions. But the major part of the student can't understand my word. What is this? Very bad. And I am trusted to see all of the silence there. So, now check the answer please. Who can't answer the questions, they can check the answer with the questions on the slide. And the next. If the question is correct, please tick. There are no one ticks, 3 ticks. 3 questions. Okay? stack. And the process is true false. Look, all the ethnic people of our country live in Chittagong district. Their statements is true or false. Please, Jinia, stand up. This is true. This is false answer. Sit down. Most of them are farmers. Sit down. So go to number 2. It is true. We remember it. It is true. He says it is true. My religious, all of them are farmers. False. The Morons are an ethnic group. True. They practice Zoom cultivation. This is also true. Now check with me. Suggest answer. The first is false. Zinia, you can say it is true, but it is false. The true answer is, or correct answer is, the majority of ethnic people of our country lives in Chittagong Hill Tracts. Majority, not all. Second question is true. Third is false. By religious, they are Hindus, Christian and Buddhist. Fourth is true and fifth is true. Okay? So check your answer with the slide. Now I shall give you homework. And homework must be done. Homework तो होते ही होंगे. Homework. Write a short paragraph about ethnic people. There are some sense, please, dear student. Write down. Write a short dialogue. Yes, I sense my decision. You have to write a dialogue about our ethnic people. Write a short dialogue between two friends, or you or your friends, about our ethnic people. The next day, I will check your paper. If you not fulfill the work, you must be punished. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. After the class, I pray to Allah, all of you sleep well, safe from Corona. Thank you.